Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare Masala Parwal, which is known as spicy pointed gourd. Here I have sliced the pointed gourds here. As you can see, I have left little bit of peel in it. This is near about 12 pointed gourd. And the other ingredients that we require to make this recipe are, here I have sliced onion. Here I have chopped near about 3 onions here, and here I have chopped 2 tomatoes, coriander leaves, salt, turmeric powder, cumin seeds. Here I have red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, dried red chili, and this is hing, asafoetida. So now, apart from all these things, I'm going to use oil and water for cooking. So now let's start cooking. The very first thing that we have to do is we have to first sprinkle little turmeric powder and salt, and we have to mix it. Mix it properly. Here we are heating little mustard oil. What we'll do first is we'll fry these marinated pointed gourds. So when the oil is hot, we'll just fry them. Be careful at this time as the hot oil might sprinkle on your hands. And we'll fry this a bit so that the rawness of the pointed gourd disappears. Just fry it a little bit. Our pointed gourds are slightly fried and it's done. So we'll take this out. Here I have taken out the pointed gourd in another bowl, and here is the oil in which we have fried our pointed gourd. Now we are going to add the hing in it, little jeera, the dried red chilies, and we let it crackle for some time. My gas flame is on medium high. Just let it crackle for some time. Now we are going to add the chopped onions. And let the onions get cooked for some time. As our onions are slightly pinkish in color, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. As the ginger and garlic paste merges well with the onion. We will put the red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and we'll now saute this for another 2 minutes. Our masala is done. We'll add the fried pointed gourds to it. And we'll mix it nicely with the spices. At this time we'll add the tomatoes also. And now we are going to cover and cook this for some time. After cooking it for some time, now we are going to add very little water to this, because our pointed gourd needs to get cooked properly. Very little water. Mix it, because tomatoes will leave water now. And cover it. This will be done on medium flame. Let it get cooked and all the water will get absorbed. Now, as you can see, our water is dried up. I'll sprinkle the coriander leaves. Our pointed gourd is now ready. We'll put off the flame. Here is our masala pointed gourd ready. You can savor this with warm rice or hot rotis. It's very simple to make. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more of my recipes and click the bell icon to be updated about my new recipes. Then see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.